Reducing your monthly bills by half may sound impossible, but with the right strategies and a proactive approach, it's entirely achievable. This guide will walk you through proven methods, drawing on advice from financial experts and real-world examples, to help you take control of your finances and free up money for the things that matter most. Step 1. Audit your expenses. The first step to slashing your bills is understanding where your money is going. Gather all your bills, bank statements, and credit card transactions from the past 3 months. Why it works. Many people overlook invisible expenses like small subscription fees or unused memberships. A detailed review highlights areas for potential cuts. Actionable tip. Categorize your expenses into needs, housing, utilities, groceries, and wants, entertainment, dining out, hobbies. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to simplify tracking. Step 2. Negotiate with service providers. Most service providers, including internet, cable, and insurance companies, are willing to offer discounts to retain customers. How to do it? Call your provider and ask for a lower rate, referencing competitor prices. Mention promotions or discounts offered to new customers. If necessary, politely threaten to cancel your service. Savings potential. Up to 20 to 30% per bill. Pro tip. Financial advisor Ramit Sethi suggests asking, "Can you do better than this?" to open the negotiation without sounding confrontational. Step 3. Downsize housing costs. Housing is often the largest monthly expense. Consider these options to cut costs. Move to a smaller space or a less expensive neighborhood. Get a roommate to share rent and utilities. If you're a homeowner, refinance your mortgage to secure a lower interest rate. Savings potential. $500 to $1,500 per month depending on your location. Step 4. Cut unnecessary subscriptions and memberships. Streaming services, gym memberships, and premium apps can add up. Evaluate whether you're using these services enough to justify their cost. How to save. Cancel unused subscriptions. Switch to free or lower-cost alternatives like public gyms or ad-supported streaming platforms. Share accounts with family members where allowed, e.g., Netflix, Spotify. Pro tip. Use apps like Truebill or Rocket Money to identify and cancel hidden subscriptions. Step 5. Optimize your utility bills. Utility bills, electricity, water, heating, are ripe for reduction with a few smart changes. Install a programmable thermostat to save on heating and cooling. Use energy-efficient light bulbs and appliances. Wash clothes in cold water and line dry when possible. Request a free energy audit from your utility company to identify areas for improvement. Savings potential. $50 to $150 per month. Motivational insight. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, small changes in energy habits can reduce your electricity bill by 10 to 25%. Step 6. Reduce transportation costs. Transportation is another major expense that can often be trimmed. Carpool, use public transit or bike to reduce fuel and maintenance costs. Shop around for cheaper car insurance using comparison websites like NerdWallet or the Zebra. Refinance your car loan to secure lower monthly payments. Savings potential. $100 to $300 per month depending on your situation. Step 7. Slash food costs without sacrificing quality. Groceries and dining out are areas where many households overspend. Plan meals in advance and stick to a shopping list. Buy in bulk for staples like rice, beans, and pasta. Limit dining out to special occasions and cook more meals at home. Use cashback apps like Ibotta or Fetch Rewards to save on groceries. Savings potential. $200 to $500 per month. Step 8. Embrace frugal living mindsets. Finally, adopt a mindset that prioritizes value and intentional spending. Practice the 30-day rule. For non-essential purchases, wait 30 days before buying to curb impulse spending. Host potluck dinners instead of dining out. Explore free or low-cost entertainment options like community events, hiking, or local libraries. Inspirational thought. Frugality isn't about deprivation, it's about aligning your spending with your priorities. Take control of your finances today. Slashing your monthly bills by 50% is achievable with commitment and creativity. Each dollar saved is a step closer to financial freedom, giving you more flexibility to invest, save, or enjoy life without stress.